So left function in Tableau returns leftmost characters of the string. It finds application in the aviation sector. So we have imported Microsoft Excel file named as NFL Offensive Player Stats in Tableau using Microsoft Excel option. We'll be using 1999 to 2013 data sheet in Tableau for our visualization. So moving on to sheet number one, uh, we'll be creating a calculated field using create calculated field option. We'll be naming it as left player. So left function is used here, and for the string part, we'll be using player dimension, and for the second number of characters part here, we'll use 3 here. Now, to understand this function, we'll be dragging player dimension onto rows shelf. Yeah, add all members. We'll be dragging left player dimension that we have just now created uh, onto the row shelf besides player dimension. Now, here we get the left player's names. So we see that in for the player Aaron Brown, the left player name shows as R. That means starting from 1, 2, and 3. So 1, 2, and 3. The third. So we have used wrote wrote the 3 here in the left player option. So that's why only the 3 characters of the string has been displayed in the left player function dimension using the left function. So, alright, thank you for watching.